I just had to share my experience with the Energy Revolution system because it completely changed how I approach energy consumption and savings. For years I was frustrated with rising electricity bills and the increasing dependency on unreliable power companies. No matter how much I tried to cut down on energy use, the bills kept piling up. That's when I decided to try the Energy Revolution system, and honestly it's been one of the smartest investments I've ever made. Since I started using this system, I've noticed a huge drop in my electricity costs. I no longer feel trapped by high utility bills, and I finally have more control over my energy consumption. The best part? It's a DIY system that didn't require any expensive installations or technical knowledge. I was able to put it together using the simple step-by-step guide provided. One of the biggest benefits for me has been the energy independence. I now have a backup power source that works even during outages, which is a huge relief, especially in extreme weather conditions. Whether it's running essential appliances or keeping the lights on when the grid fails, this system has proven to be a lifesaver. Another thing I love about the Energy Revolution system is that it's a one-time investment. Unlike solar panels, which require expensive setup and maintenance, this system runs efficiently without ongoing costs. It's an affordable way to generate your own power without relying on big energy corporations. The best part? The system comes with a money-back guarantee, so I knew I had nothing to lose by giving it a shot. But honestly, I'm beyond satisfied with the results. If you're looking for a cost-effective DIY energy solution that can cut your power bills and provide reliable electricity, I highly recommend trying the Energy Revolution system. It's been a game changer for me.